Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest sticker haul from two of my favorite shops, Orange Umbrella Co. and Fern Creek Stickers. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so before I jump into this any further, I do have the August mystery kit from Fern Creek Stickers. So if you ordered yours and haven't received it yet, you might want to stop this video and maybe watch it later, or you can just speed through or mute when I go through that. And actually, I think I'll go through Fern Creek Stickers first. So let's go ahead and put all of these aside, and then we will unpackage things and take a look. Alrighty friends, so starting with my order from Fern Creek Stickers, first I have here their business card. They have a discount code, it's Thanks15 for 15% off your order. And then diving right into the freebie. So this is the freebie for Rustic Blossoms. It's from kit 136. So this is really sweet. Look at all these cute little doodle boxes. We've got the fall holidays and then these precious little doodle girls. They're so sweet. I love that. Okay, so I have here, again, this is kit 136. It's Rustic Blossoms. This is the savings tracker, the sinking funds header, and then I have the monthly. And this is actually for a 7x9 plum paper, but I plan to use this for my budget book, which is a classic happy planner combined with the budget by paycheck workbook. So I just need this monthly sheet and then these two budget headers. So that's what I'm going to be using for my October budget. And again, that's Rustic Blossoms. And then I have kit 131. This is called Purple Sparkle. I love this, so pretty. So I have appointment labels. I've got washi. I just think this is so pretty. I love all of these geometric patterns. I have full boxes. Look at how pretty these are. I love that. And then we've got the Plum date headers, and these are individual headers. Lots of check boxes, some icons. And then I have the essentials page. Again, more icons, some scripts, and then a couple strips of washi, the weekend banner, a full box, and then a bunch of just decorative and functional boxes. So that is kit 131, and that was Purple Sparkle. And then here's where I'm gonna share with you the August mystery kit. So you can either skip past this, pause it, or watch it later, whatever you want to do. The sneak peeks, when I saw the color palette, I was like, this is gorgeous. So I bought the full kit, and that comes with this huge sheet of doodles. Look at all of it. I love the balloons. Oh, how cute, the big tooth. So cute, all the little walking shoes, perfect for me. And then this is the mystery freebie. I love this. It's kind of like a deco journaling type page with some of this like ripped washi look, cute little icons. Look at the little deer. How sweet, and little wagon full of pumpkins and flowers. This is beautiful. I love this. Okay, oh wow, look at the full boxes. This is so neat. So what's great about her mystery kits is you could order the full kit plus an extra sheet of boxes, and then you'll have enough for 2 weeks. I just did the one sheet this time, which is just the basic full kit. Oh, hey pumpkin, that's cute. I love the stack of books and all these little flags down here. This is just gorgeous. I love it. I love the colorway in this. Lots of scripts here, 2 weekend banners. Again, like I said, you could do 2 weeks. Here's the date headers, tons of habit trackers, some other weekly trackers, some headers here this week to do. And then look at the washi. I love this butterfly one. This is so pretty. It's kind of Americana. I love it. And then here we've got some functional boxes and tons of check boxes. And then lots of decorative boxes. This is so great. I love this. So this was the August mystery kit. Okay, so that's it for Fern Creek Stickers. And now I'm going to go into all the things that I ordered from Orange Umbrella Co. Alrighty friends, so this is actually going to be 2 orders combined in this haul. So I'm just going to show you everything all at once. But here's their business card and where you can find them on social media. And then they also have a discount code. It's planner time for 20% off your website order. So just to clarify, they have their own website, and then they also have an Etsy shop. So you want to shop at their website, shopouc.com, for this 20% off. Okay, so that's their card. And then let's take a look at the freebies. Like I said, I'm combining 2 orders in this haul, so that's why I have 2 packages of freebies. Cute, I like this. Very fall. Nice scripts. Lots of utensils. There's Spaz the cat. So cute. Oh, 6 Spaz, not feeling too well. And then this is vitamins. Oh, this is so cute. That's one of my habits. I think I'm going to use that in my habit trackers. Okay, and then let's take a look at what's in here. So freebies, D153. So this probably matches kit 153, the Hawaiian kit. Oh, first day of school, last day of school, fall break picture day. Cute, some school scripts. Auto debit. I had to stop and look at what that says. Auto debit. Couple of functional boxes there. I love this get shit done. This is totally cool. I love that. Alrighty, so those are the freebies. I think that's my favorite freebie ever. Okay, so let's get started. So the first kit, this is kit 171, and it's called Rustic Fall. So I have here the Plum date strip headers. I've got the check boxes. I love the mix of colors that she uses in the check boxes. I have full boxes. Now, friends, you might be wondering why these boxes are square. It's because I ordered the TPC full boxes because I like this square shape. They will fit the regular vertical columns because they're 1.5 inches wide, but I just wanted to play around with like a different size in the full boxes. So I love this plaid, and this was the print here that caught my eye, and I was like, oh, I have to have that. I love that. We've got the mini kit, and I always order sheet 1 and sheet 2. So these are both the sheets you get. 4 strips of washi here, 4 strips of washi on this one, some habit trackers, some doodle boxes, lots of icons, decorative and functional boxes, and then just enough scripts, at least the ones that I use weekly. So this is so perfect for me. The mini kit has really become my go-to. Like, I know exactly what I need to do a full week. It's basically sheet 1, sheet 2, some date strip headers, some check boxes, and the full boxes. And like, that's it. Like, if you really want to just kind of simplify, this gives me plenty to do a week. So that was kit 171, and it was Rustic Fall. And then the next kit, this is kit 177, and it is called A Happy Haunting. Again, my go-tos, I've got the date strip headers, which has the weekend banner, some more check boxes, and you get a couple of functional boxes here. And I love all these cute little asterisks. I love using those for birthdays. Again, I did the TPC full boxes. This is so cute. That little skeleton crossing bones. I just thought it was so cute. Got Boo, some little ghosts. Cute little mix of doodles there. And then I did order the deco because look at that ghost. Isn't that sweet? And then look, I love this kind of like layered shadowed box. That's really cool. I like that. And then again, mini kit sheet 1 and sheet 2. So then I've got, again, the 4 strips of washi on each page, some habit trackers, scripts, decorative and functional, and then you get a full box here as well. And I love these little hearts. Like, I've been using these hearts too. So cute. This is a sweet, I like sweet, cute, fun Halloween. I'm not super into scary Halloween. So there we go. That's kit 177, Happy Haunting. And then I've got kit 179. This is called Thankful. And again, my go-tos, my date strip headers. I love this like burnt orange burgundy color. I've got check boxes, the TPC full boxes. Look at how cute the little rainbow and the little back of the truck. Thankful, cute. I love the colors in this. And then on this one, I decided to order the deco journaling. I like these ripped pieces in here. I've been trying to use those. So cute. I love that. And then again, mini kit sheet 1 and sheet 2. Look at this washi. How sweet is that? And then this one here says thanks. You get another full box. And then this is like the regular full-size box. All the icons, the doodle boxes, the decorative, the functional, the habit trackers, and the scripts. So again, kit 179, and that's Thankful. Oh, fall's gonna be so fun, friends. Okay, Kit 180. This is called Fall Foliage. Look at the deep colors in this. I love it. So again, strip headers, checklists, and then this time I ordered the deco. And what I do is I look at the deco and then I look at the journaling deco and I decide which one do I like better, which one do I think will fit me more. And so in this case, I really liked all of the deco pieces, the mushrooms and the leaves. So I did that. Again, I did the TPC boxes, so I have more of a square box. Again, this pattern that I love, just in a different colorway. So cute, just gorgeous. And then the mini kits, sheet 1 and sheet 2. I love this dark washi. So pretty. All of the fun, decorative, functional boxes, the icons. I love this washer machine. It is so cute. I just laid that down in my current week. So very sweet. So again, that's kit 180 and it's called Fall Foliage. Next, I've got kit 112. This is a little bit older kit. And this one I am planning to use for social media. This one's called Vines. And so I just ordered the basic appointment labels because I'll write my videos in there. I got the washi. I thought this was really cool. Isn't that kind of retro? I think it's really neat. I love that. And then I got the Erin Condren monthly page because again, I'm going to use this for social media and my social media planner is an Erin Condren monthly. I just thought this was really cool. Really gorgeous. So that's 112 and it's called Vines. Next I have kit 148 and it's called Flower Garden. So again, I've got some basic labels, some washi. I've got the Plum paper dashboard page because I'm going to use this as a monthly in my Plum. I think I'm using this for September is what I decided. And then the Plum, like the main monthly page with the scripts and the date dots, some washi. So pretty. I have this in a weekly kit as well. So I just thought it was so gorgeous. And I thought the flowers were great for September. I thought it still looked really good. So 148 Flower Garden. And then friends, I goofed. I ordered kit 172 Fall Y'all twice. This is the second time. I had forgot. I thought that I didn't place this order and I already did. So I'll show you what I have. Again, the date strip headers, TPC full boxes. I love the colors in this. I have the journal deco and then mini kit sheets 1 and 2. So because I already have this kit, what I want to do is I want to do a giveaway for the first time ever. So I have to figure that out. I have been looking at some YouTube videos on how to like give away a random giveaway. So I am going to figure that out and then I will put that out there to the world. So this is 172 Fall Y'all. It's the second time I've bought it. Okay, and then last but not least, I think this is my last one. Yep, kit 175, and it's just called Halloween. So again, I have date strips. I love the purple in this with the oranges and the blues and the grays. This little guy is what caught my eye, and that's why I bought it. And I loved this sticker with the Happy Halloween. So cute. And then I got the deco. Isn't that cute, boo? And then I have the mini kit sheet 1 and sheet 2. I plan to do like multiple Halloween kits, obviously, for October. There were just so many cute ones that I just decided I'm going to do a lot of them. So look at all the washi here. How cute. The 4 strips here and the 4 strips there. I love these stars. And again, all of the decorative functional boxes, the icons, utensils, scripts, everything. So that is it, friends. So many fun kits. So let's bring everything back in for one last look. Oh my gosh, friends, I hope you can see a little bit of everything. I feel so fortunate to have all of these lovely, lovely kits. So, alrighty, we got to get busy this fall with some planning. Okay, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.